Konnichiwa guys, Odewa Dread and we are going to play Blox Fruit right today. And this is the first time of playing Blox Fruit. So let's get started. We are here and now we have to do something good. Why I am looking like emo? Let's get started. By the way, 256, 50. I already have almost 300 and now I am going to here. Let's just take quest from the bandit quest giver at the pirate starter. Now we have to confirm the quest and now I have to knock out these 5 bandits with the help of the combat the legendary thing we have. Now we have to start the battle. Let's get started. Here I have just been 3 bandits and quick tackle or quick attack. Now this is started. Now I have to do it again. Quick start or quick attack or quick tackle. I have to say quick tackle. What is this? What will I do for it? By the way, nothing. Let's get started. Here I am going. Here. Now take the quest again and let's just see which fruit user has become. Buddha user. Literally Buddha. That's not good at all. By the way, let's get started. Again, I have to beat that 5 bandits. I just abandoned the quest. Oh, I didn't help to beat the bandits. I just abandoned the quest. I have beat the bandits. Yes. Now I have to start the game again. Here, quick attack. Why I am always getting it. Now let's. Why I am going to do this? Here's 2 bandit again. Now let's start. Now here, the bandit has been should be the bandit are eliminated. Now we have to just knock the bandits out at the aim of 5 FPS. Quick attack! Here, I have been completing this quest since 1980. Why I am saying this? I have 15 stats and you guys are going to tell me where to use these stats. Okay. Now I just have to go somewhere. Let's just go to straight to Middletown. I mean Middletown. Let's see what's here. Now let's get started. A new shop I am seeing from here. You can see. See? A whole new shop. And what's in this shop is what the shop is all about. Oh, theme change. What is the limited color or a perm rocket? I'm going to have perm rocket right now. Then I will trade it. Less I just need is 50 hearts. And then I have to be perm rocket. Then can I trade the perm rocket? If I can, this will be so good. Now we have to do, and yes, I have to do it so faster. Now let's get started. Here I am here. Now just take the quest again and in the language. Let's start here. Here, yes. Now I have to start in the quiz again. And now I have no time to waste, absolutely no time. Yes. Who is come? Someone has been come. Who is he? He is just branded something. He is too good at this game. His level is more than 300. He's not. He should not be here. I can't grind because of him. He's taking everyone down. He has. What kind of food is this? Okay, I have to go from here quickly as fast as I can. So I have only 2 guys to eliminate right now. Here, I have 1 again 2 and something I see there. Oh, that's good. Here, take it. I will take it. Because I know everything has been a use right now. And everything could be bad, dangerous. If I didn't take them, then I need them. Level 8. And now again taking the quiz, doing the same thing again and again. This is gonna be hard. But I have to get 50 of them. So I have to do this. How much I have right now? 4. Calculated. I have 46. If one of them give 1, then I have to kill 46 more to gain. And 1 of 2 of them are giving. Makes me no. It makes me it's too much bad. So when I'm going to wait in the second, I am to use it. Level 900. I'm going to show you a fast method. Not I can use it. I mean, not everyone can use the fast method of regeneration. I call it the fast method of regeneration, by the way. But yes, I can't do this because not everyone is able to do this. Now I have level 1 more level to go. Let's go. This video is going to be very quick. Yeah, I forgot to click the quick. Here, quick has been taken. He is too good. 1 more. And now here he is. Here with he came. His buddies came against me. Aha, they are. I just have to make them came down. There one guy stuck. Let's get stuck. Let's I just beating them too. I will get enough. The 2 of them are beaten. Now 1 of 2 of them again here. I have to just beat the 3 of them. Then my work from this week will be there. Then I'm going to purchase some katana and going to here out of here. So let's complete this very fast. Here I gained it. Here see my already. So now I have only 45. Oh, 46. 45? No. I have to just gain more than 146. I have 27 stat right now. So I have 4,000. A katana will cost me 1,000. Then it's be only 1,000. Let's put it. Here I go. People are good. Now let's just purchase the boat. Cause I have acquired where the boat came. I can't purchase any of them right now because I don't have enough money for them to purchase. And this boat is way slow. Okay. I will have to purchase. Okay, that's good. If I purchase it. Bandits are easy. By the way, let's get to the point. I will meet you when I will reach the point. Here, so guys, I am game deer. That's not my name. Right. Let's go to this man. Here. I just glitched the wall if I see correctly. Here's the chest. Now let's get again. Oh, here. Low. Right, I am here now. And I have to beat some monkeys. Monkey. Take out 8. Open stats. Right. 3. Right, I have to just use in 7. I think this is. I just use it correctly. I don't know how, but yeah, I just use them correctly. In the video, they have to be using. They are using. Okay, now here. Total concentration. First form, quick rush. Quick rush. Slash. Total concentration. First form, quick slash. The monkey demons. Here. Again. Monkey demons. Okay, this combo is going to be. If I made the combo. Oh, this is going to be easy. I thought it will be hard, but no, it's not hard. Okay. Right, how much I have? 9. I have to make sure a lot of them right now. I have to make it because I have to get perm rocket, and perm rocket, if I get in my inventory, that's going to be good. Because I'm not going to use it. I will use it in second scene. This is going to be crazy. Let's just hope I get something better for the rocket. No. The monkeys are all in a trap over there. Quite wrong. Now I have to monkey demons. Here. Now this is gonna be crazy. If I made one combo, you should in this phone. You should be subscribed to me. Okay, no, it's not will be work. That should, if I made it, you should be done. The subscribe button. Okay. I can't made it. I know right now. But the thing I have to do it is I am. monkey. Oh, okay. We're the one monkey. He is too away. Here I have how many? 11. Right. 11 of them are good. I just have the new quest. Good. What the Buddha user is him? This update is good right now, so I have to make shit. Let's get adventure gorillas here. Let's go. They are very good at this. I don't know why, because I have already played this game. This game. So I have a lot of information about it. But don't worry. This will not going to affect the gameplay. Experience and expect and knowledge. Both are different things. Both should be known. Experience is good and knowledge is good. Gorilla is following me right now. So I have to make sure that all gorillas follow me. Why there are two tops? Quite right. Now they all will going to follow me. No, not in water. Why you don't follow me? You have to be following me. I have been came here. Oh, I have failed in it. No, my quest. He taken the advantage that I am not here. I have to be. I will beat him. He's too fast. The name of the hacker. I have to see the name of it. He's a nice. One of them are psychic. Okay. Right now here. They should be now following me. He's here. They are here. They are following. No. He stops. The gorilla stops. Where is he? Here. Every gorilla is following. Now they will be following me. Just me here. Right now. So here. One more select. The combo is not going to happen. I can't tap this. I can't spam it. Lucky or what's the name of the hacker? I don't know. Because I can't see the name. He was too far. For right now, here. They all are. Now I have to be. Why I am doing this when I know that I can't do this? Because I have to do this. I have to do this. To do this. Then I will be the best. Here. Again. Here. Quick rush. And quite rush. I mean quick. Why I was saying this quick. Now let's get started. Am I using stats or I can't beat them. Oh, this is good. Where? Oh, if I mate him. Yeah, I should not do this. I can't be Sly. I don't think this is going to be that hard. Okay, the video will be so long, I know. But this is going to be too crazy. Last time I have to do this. A lot of time I needed. The time I need, the more I want. Here. Now I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. Only 2 of them left. Two. Here I have now 12. Now wait for them to respawn again. They are responded. Here, 1, 2 select. Easy. 1, 2 slash. 1, 2 slash. 1, 2 slash. Good. They all have now 2 slashes. That was happening. So now I have to be weird. Why they are stop? So I have a technique. So I can't dash while I am in run. So here I found a way. Right, my network lags. So I can slash them and run backwards. Or I can slash them and run slightly. Oh, this only damaged me, not the gorillas. Here. Ah! It's also damaged them. Here. Ah, again. This is going to be easy, I think so. Now, gorillas, this is not going to be like anything because it's me, Fred. I don't get anything more than. Right. All my stats has been here. Okay, let's get back to the work. Like, yes, it's millions away. So just take out, find a monkey, go and kill out the monkey. This will not take more time. Here, see, and in I will have 20 levels. And yes, I have to do something so I can be. So by the way, I have the event shop has been restocked. What has new has been came? Let's first and check this out. Because I was trending for perm rocket, now it has been reset. So what is now? Digny is too slow. Done. Now what the shop is. Even shop has been used. Stopped. Now what the shop is. Buddha. But now what could I have do? Spin? No. Okay, the shop is too bad. Let's get back. The shop is too not bad. That was not that bad, but it was bad. Because it doesn't have anything good. Like what? That thing is good, but it's too expensive. Don't you guys think who will be actually gaining 700 for Bugoda? Just try its luck on roll. Like I am going back to jungle, beat the Gorilla King and end the video. That's my motive. Beating a boss is good. Where the boss gets? Here you boss. What do you think am I? I am Brad. The best you can even imagine. I am the worst newbie you have ever seen. Complete. So yeah, this is the end of the video, guys. Wait, I have to see just. FRIUT4. If I see if someone will give me, someone will give me, he's good, too good. Let's just see it. If I hear, nah, my PvP is bad. Ah, right, he's not good. If I say it again, yes, that's there. Wait, no one is going to be here. Okay, so guys, this is the end of video. I hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get bye. See you in another video. Sayonara.